Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Squires. We're starting a new unit on area and perimeter. And area is defined as how much space is in a shape. So we're going to talk about arrays again. We're going to talk about rows and columns. So I hope that you remember all of that. So here's an example of finding out the area of a shape with using tiles. And you can see down here I have made my squares. It's easier to work with squares because of rows and columns, but if you want to at home, if you don't have any squares, you can practice with pieces of cereal or circles or whatever you have at home. So the question here is, Sasha is making a poster for her favorite band to take to a concert. She's going to use a poster board that is 3 feet long by 5 feet wide. And I like the word by here because it really tells me that we're doing a multiplication problem at the same time. So I have my tiles down here and I know it's a 3 by 5 array. So 3 rows, 5 columns. So I'm going to take my 2, 3 tiles, and there are my 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and now I need by 5 columns. So I have the first one there, my second column, 3, 4, and the computer's not working very well for me, 5 columns. So now I just have to fill in the other area. 2, 3, and I did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So I'm filling in my area right now with my other tiles to make 3 rows of 5 columns. And it's not going to be in a perfect array all organized, but it's the best I can do on the computer right here. So you see how I have a 3 by 5, and here are my 1, 2, 3 rows, and my 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So now I'm going to get my pen and I'm going to label it. Here's the 3. Oh my, let's undo that and see if I can just type 3. That might work better. 3 by 5 array. So now all you have to do is count up how many squares in a 3 by 5 array, and that will give you how much space will you have to decorate on your poster. So if you count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, the answer would be 15 tiles or 15 square feet that I will need for my poster that Sasha wants to make. So later on, we will be talking about how you can just look at this and say 3 times 5 equals 15. But as we start out, area with tiling, you create the poster, you create the tiles, and then you count how many tiles are in there, and that's how you find area.